To add eSIM into the Samsung Z Fold 8, just simply start by opening System Settings and right now go to the Connections, move for SIM Manager. Now click to add an eSIM, wait for the loading screen, and after a few seconds we will be redirected for this screen. So select your method. For me, I just received the QR code from my service provider, so I'm gonna use this option. And if you receive, for example, only activation code, you can click here and input it here by using keyboard. Or if you receive only QR code, like in my case, you will have to just go for this QR code and put it into the frame. Now, as you can see, we got this automatic connection. It's showing us the service provider. So for me, yes, it is actually correct. I want to add it. So we have to accept everything. And now just wait until we hit 100% for this activation method. So just be patient. As you can see, it's actually stuck for the 96, but after a few seconds, everything is fine. Now it's updating some SIM information. And what we can also do, we can click here to change name of the SIM card, and by clicking next, we are able to change preferred SIM for calls, for messages, but also for mobile data. And when you go back, you can find out your eSIM just over here. So this is how it looks, and thank you so much for watching.